Hello, Marcela. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. Good evening. Not very well. I'm sick. I have had it flu.
Oh, I'm really sorry. So I hope you can participate today in the class.
Yes, teacher. I'll try.
Okay, well, in this moment, let's wait a little moment for our classmates, some minutes for our classmates. So then we can start with the class, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, hello, Marcela. Hello, Juan. Welcome to our class. How are you today?
Nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, very good, Juan. Thank you for coming to our class. Let me see. Very good. Okay, we're going to start right now with our class. Marcela, Juan, thank you for coming on time to our class. It's time to start right now. Remember that we have to practice today and to finish with the last unit. Remember that we are in unit 5, so we have to complete some activities about this unit, okay? To start with today's class, everybody. Okay, to start with this class, everybody, let me share my screen with you so then we can continue. Okay, everybody, today's question is about what do you use the internet for? As you know, the internet have many uses. It depends on the person. For example, some people use it for work or to look for some information about their job. Some other people use the internet for looking information about a school or about any activity from university. But I want to ask you, what do you use the internet for? Okay, and this opportunity, we will start with Marcela because she was the first one in our class. Can you tell me, Marcela, what do you use the internet for?
Okay, I use internet for searching information and to university and that's it.
That's it. Okay, that's good. You look, well, you use it to look for information about university, about your career. Okay, very good. Thank you, Marcela, for sharing about it. Right now, let's continue with Juan. What about you, Juan? What do you use the internet for?
Well, in my case, I use the ink. Well, I started to use internet several years ago. Before then, as mentioned yesterday, I didn't like it. The web, right? Or any kind of things like electronic, right?
Yeah.
It was a cavernicola, right? Yes, but when I did them, the opportunity to learn about them, oh, it is in a big world, right? So, in this case, I use the internet for many things. The well, the mainly could be learning English, right? Learn English is the main. And secondly, could be watch and listen music. And third one could be play video games online because I really like shooters. So I think those three are the wise. I love the internet.
Okay, that's pretty good. So you have great, well, you give great reasons to the internet. And I want to ask you, you mentioned that you watch and listen to music. Do you like do you like watching videos about the lyrics of songs?
Exactly. That is the music that I really like it. Just relax, just music, just no voice, right? Just the sound.
Okay.
And sometimes I really like to listen jazz or opera. I don't know why, but in my case, since I was memory, uh, I have a liking.
Okay, but that's something really nice. You're the first person I know that listen to opera because but it's not bad. I mean, it's something new. It's something that maybe we can try because it can make you feel relaxed. I guess, right?
That in that things my father has a little bit guilty
Oh,
because yes, because uh, he was a dibujante drawing, no,
a
drawer,
drawer, drawer.
drawer. He was a drawer, and all the time, well, he he was drawing, and he put that kind of music when he was drawing. So
Okay.
imagine you are a little kid and you see your father. Well, you absorb all the things that your father does, right? So
That's
in that
right.
case, that's the reason that I think that those things I like it. I like
Well,
them. Sorry.
well, but that's something really good, okay? You have a little bit from your father throughout music. You have a little bit of your father with you, and this is something that maybe you can continue doing with your kid, right? Who knows?
Yes,
Maybe
of course.
he will like he will
Sorry
also
for my
like
kid. Sorry for my kid.
he will also like that kind of music. So that's pretty good. Thank you for sharing, Juan, about it.
And I hate
Um,
reggaeton.
yeah, not reggaeton, of course.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, hello, Brian. Now we will continue with you. Brian, tell me, what do you use the internet for?
Hi, teacher. I I use internet maybe 60 or 18 years ago. My first time is my first time experience in with internet when I was living in the house of my parents is the play Mario, Super Mario in computer. I remember. And the second, discharge music and artists.
Okay.
I
Of
like I
of
like
course,
so much the
that was a
music.
great activity. And nowadays, do you play in your computer? Do you play video games on your computer?
No, no, no,
No.
no, no,
Okay.
no.
Well, I'm really sorry. Okay, but that's
Only
well.
my cell phone is
Uh,
a Candy Crush, to 2048 and 2048 and Super Mario Kart in my cell phone only, but my computer no.
Okay, but that's something good, okay? At least you can continue using the internet, but in your on your cell phone, right? Not on the computer. Actually, I never learned how to play video games in a computer. That's why I prefer the cell phone or a video games console. But it's good, Brian. Okay, it's good that you still continue like playing video games because you had a great experience when you started using the internet. You have the great experience to play to start playing video games and then well also listening to music and downloading music. That's pretty good.
Yes.
Thank you for
And
sharing, Brian.
it's more easy now because the platform for Spotify is very good in my cell phone.
Okay, are you paying your Spotify account?
Yes, at the premium.
Okay, well,
Because
oh my,
I don't like publicity.
yeah, advertisements are not good. That's a big problem that now all platforms have. For example, if you listen to Spotify for free, so you know that you have advertisements.
Yes.
If you also use YouTube, that's something really bad from YouTube, that also you have advertisements, and if you want to avoid advertisements, also you need to pay for YouTube Premium. That's something bad. But well, if you have the opportunity, or if you want to pay for that platform and listen to music without any interference, so it helps a lot. Pretty good, Brian. Thank you for sharing about it.
Okay,
Now
teacher.
let's see, Sonia. Hello. What do you use the internet for?
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. Actually, I use the internet to searching some information and also to learning speak English. Or download music too.
Well, that's something nice, Sonia. Thank you for sharing. I just have a question. You mentioned that you use it to learn English. Do you practice in a different platform, or just in these classes?
In these classes and also search information. For example, on YouTube, I search in some videos about listening or grammar.
Okay. Well, that's something amazing, Sonia. I'm so happy to listen that, well, you look for some or for more material about how to improve your English skills, which is something really important, guys. Actually, on YouTube, there are many channels which help you um, to improve in different areas. For example, your fluency. Actually, I remember this week I was watching a video about the linking sounds. So it helps a lot when you want to speak more fluent. So it can help you a lot, right? If you look for different skills, mostly the ones that are more difficult for you, it's pretty good. So thank you for sharing about it, Sonia. It's really nice, okay, the use that you give to the internet. Well, guys, I would like to continue with this activity, but we have to move to our next part. Remember that today our objective is to speak, so we will have more time to speak in a moment, right? So guys, in this moment, just remember the use of infinitives and gerunds for purpose, right? Remember, this is just a review, a very short and quick review about infinitives and gerunds. To start with this, I want to listen to Javier. Javier, can you help me with this explanation? Hello, Javier. Okay, that's it right now. Juan, can you help me reading the explanation?
Of course, we can use either an infinitive with the to or a gerund with a for to describe purpose or how something is used. The meaning is the same.
Thank you. As you remember, guys, infinitives and gerunds are, well, they are similar. It says that the meaning is the same. And yes, guys, the meaning is the same. Anytime we talk about the use of the or the purpose of something, we can use infinitives and gerunds. Just remember, guys, that when we use infinitives, it's because we are talking about something more personal. For example, when we talk about the use we give to different things, or the use specific people give to specific things, right? For example, I use my cell phone to send emails, right? This example, guys, is talking about the use that I give to my cell phone or the purpose of my cell phone. Then, guys, we have the example also in gerund, which is possible, but is not common. When we are talking about something more personal, it's better to use infinitives, everybody, instead of using gerunds. Remember that gerunds are generally used when we are talking about the use that people in general give to a specific things or to an object. Right now, I want to listen to you reading some examples. Brian, can you read the examples about infinitives?
Okay, teacher. Example, with an infinitive, 2 plus per. First example, I use my cell phone to send emails. Second example, computers are often used to watch movies. And finally is, you can use the internet to shop online.
Well done, thank you. Now, Brian, I have a question. What are infinitives?
Yes.
What are infinitives?
And the sample?
Yes. Oh, well, what is the definition, right? What is the definition for infinitives?
Oh, okay. Yeah, infinitive is I don't know what it's playing. Give me a second for.
Okay, look at the examples, right? And then you can tell me what is an infinitive.
The first emails.
Oh, repeat again.
I use my cell phone to send emails.
Oh yeah, but what is an infinitive? How can you describe what is an infinitive?
To send? Was that two?
Oh, yeah, that's an example of infinitives. But what is an infinitive?
So what does it mean?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what to explain. Maybe infinity is when when express the action of the reason we are the something thing.
Okay. Yes. It's partially correct. Thank you, Brian. Now let's see. Sonia, what is an infinitive? Hello, Sonia. Hi.
My teacher.
Hi. Sonia, can you tell me a definition for infinitives? What are infinitives?
I think infinitive is when you use to and plus verb in the base form.
Nice. Okay, very good. Okay, that was great. Thank you for your help, Sonia. Also, you, Brian, you were really nice. Just remember, infinitives, guys, are all the verbs in base form when in the use of to. To, and then we use the verb in base form. To eat, to send, to shop, to run. Okay, so we use everybody when we are talking about infinitives, remember that we are talking about the use of to and the verb in base form. Now, everybody, thank you for your help. Let's continue with the use of gerunds. Well, in this opportunity, Omar, can you read the examples about gerunds?
Okay, good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
With a gerund is 4 plus verbs plus ing. I use my cell phone for sending emails. Computers are often used for watching movies. You can use the internet for shopping online.
Okay, well done, Omar. Thank you for reading. Now, my question for you, Omar. What are gerunds? What is the definition of gerunds?
We are to use the gerund for purpose and
But,
something is used the action.
okay, that's good. Now, Marcela, what is a gerund?
The gerund is for plus verb plus ing, for example, for sending, for watching, for shop.
Okay, very good. Gerunds, everybody. Great job, Marcela and Omar. That was nice. As you can see, guys, gerunds are all the verbs when we use for and the verb in ing. For and then the verb in ing, that's the gerund, everybody, the ing, right? Remember, we know gerunds or we know verbs in ing, everybody, or we know the present participle verbs, right? These are the three forms that we can call them. But in this opportunity, guys, when we are talking about purpose or use, we call them gerunds. For plus a verb in ing. Your examples, guys, for sending, for watching, for running, for taking, okay? So we have, everybody, this use of these words, okay? Right now, we will continue with another activity. Remember that, well, today's class, everybody, will be based on this topic, infinitives plus in gerunds. Why? Because this is I consider, guys, that this is the most difficult thing that we can study, right? Because if we want to continue, guys, with how can I say? With imperatives, guys, imperatives are kind of easy, so it will be easy for you guys. We don't have too much to talk about that, right? Everybody, In this moment, we will continue with another activity. And as you remember, our activity for today, guys, or our class, it's about speaking. So I need you to speak about an invention. Look at the instructions. Think about an invention. You can invent it, or one that is already invented. Use gerunds and infinitives to talk about the uses of that object, okay? Everybody, as you know, there are many inventions around the world. Some of them are useful, some of them are unnecessary. In this opportunity, guys, you have the opportunity to invent something, okay? It depends on you guys if you want to invent it, or you want to speak about one that is already invented, but not common, guys. For example, don't talk about, I don't know, a lamp. Why? Because lamps are, well, they are common. Don't talk about, everybody, for example, pencil. Pencils are common. So think about something that it's not common and it's useful. Or it can be also a crazy and unnecessary thing, okay? It depends on you. In this opportunity, guys, we will work in pairs. We are, well, you are 6 people, so I will create 3 groups. You will have, everybody, 5 minutes to speak or to think about one invention. As I said before, you can invent something, or you can talk about something that it's already done, right? The thing is to use gerunds and infinitives and talk about the different uses that object have. If you talk about something that is already invented, so in that case, everybody, you can tell me, okay, this object is for example, if you talk about a cell phone, guys, well, this cell phone is for taking pictures. Also, it is useful for making phone calls and for taking great videos. If you're a YouTuber, so I don't know, guys, but be creative and tell me the different uses an object have. Remember, try to think about something that is not very common, but it's useful. Those are the main instructions I have, guys. Do you have any question about this activity? No
They
question?
use the infinitive or gerund.
Both. So you, in this opportunity, you can use both, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, well done. Everybody, in this moment, I will create 3 groups. And then, okay, give me a second. Okay. In this opportunity, guys, I will create the 3 groups. You will have around 5 to 7 minutes to speak about an invention. Try to write the information, guys, about that new invention or a useful invention that it's already done. And then, everybody, we will talk about that over here in the class. Today, guys, you will have more time because I want to listen to all of you, right? Everybody, take this time to practice speaking English, guys, and I see you in 5 minutes, okay? Bye-bye. Hello, Marcela.
Hello, teacher. I don't have a partner.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened to Omar. I guess he's having troubles with the internet. That's why he didn't join the groups. But if you can start thinking about one thing, if you can start thinking about one invention, you can do it, right? Then when he comes, if he comes, you can share the information with him, right?
Okay, teacher.
Great.
I don't know. Tell me your idea.
Maybe a network is good.
What? Can you repeat, please?
The network,
Network.
if we invent a network,
Okay,
or
network.
yes.
Okay, network. It's red social. Okay,
Okay, what is the name?
network.
just just network. Just network.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Let me think.
but the main point of the or or network.
Okay. We invited a social network called uh, for
Uh, I think it's difficult.
why?
Because we don't know uh, how to use.
Okay. Change the name. Okay.
Teacher.
Oh, teacher is here.
Yes,
Yeah,
teacher.
yes,
Teacher.
I was listening to your idea.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
but teacher, is necessary we invent or what is the name of the
Something, an invention.
yes, an invention is necessary to
Well,
create an invention.
I told you that it depends on you. If you want to invent it, great. But if you want to speak something that it's already done, you can do it like that. Okay.
I think
The
it's
point
deep.
is that you have to use gerunds and infinitives. So think about if you talk about something that it's already done. So you can speak about that, but think about many uses that you can give to that thing, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Javier, I think it's better to use infinitive or gerunds in the sentences.
Okay.
For Bluetooth, right?
Sorry, what did you say?
Just for Bluetooth.
Yes, the actually I only use inalambric, only on Bluetooth connect.
Yes, in my case, I
You need
haven't,
to connect?
I haven't used them.
Okay.
No, I just use with the normal with
Yes.
yes with a wired.
Okay.
So that's
Be-
good. And
It's more. It's for you. Is better the traditional. headphones.
It depends, right? Because
For me, for this,
it's most common use headphone well wireless, right?
yes.
Yeah, it's more common, but well, they spend more charge from your cell phone, right?
Yeah,
And in the other with the normals, well, they they spend the
that.
normal they spend the day span to charge, right?
Yes, and for the normal headphone is much cheaper because in alambric
It
it's more
it dep
expensive.
it
The
depend
the plan.
because I have well time ago I got headphones.
Okay,
Yes, but they have course and it's a normal, but they are for playing video games.
okay, yeah.
They
This
they well they costed $125.
oh yes, but the quality is very great.
Exactly.
The song is very high, and the experience
You can listen into the to
is only
the
the you
to the
listen the
everything
video.
everything. Yes.
Yes, nice.
And
It's
you don't you don't
Hello, Marcela. How are you doing?
Hi, teacher. Omar didn't join, and so I I'm 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 doing the invent.
Okay, pretty good. Yes, I guess he had problems with the internet connection, but if you practice, that's pretty nice. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, let me see. It's time to move. I hope you are ready. So we are going to start, right?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, hello. Are you ready now for sharing your inventions or about an invention? Yes, of course.
yes, we were discussing what is better, the headphones or headphone with cord or wireless.
Okay, that sounds interesting. That's a great
Yes.
that's a great debate topic. Good. Well, I don't know what happened to Marcella because she was the first one to present, but she left. So I'm really sorry, right? In this opportunity, Javier, can you tell me a number one or number two?
number one.
Okay, Brian and Juan, I'm sorry, you are number one. Okay, so you will help me in this opportunity with with our with the presentations. Okay, tell me about an invention that it's already done or something new. Okay, go ahead.
Me first. Well,
Yes,
now I saw a video about a handmade air conditioner, and well, and he used a polyurethane ice and a small fan to made it, and well, and also he put inside ice with some salt, right? In this case, it's a handmade air conditioner, right? For me isn't a good invention. If you don't have the money to buy it, you can create your own, right? You can create yours. Sorry. And well,
Okay.
yes, yes. At the top, he made us. He cut and he made a circle, and they he put the small fan with the bolts, right? And the in front of the polyurethane ace made three holes, right? And he put three I don't know what the mean cilindros.
Ooh, great question. I guess it's cylinders, but let me look for it.
Let me check. I'm going to
Yeah, cylinders.
cylinders, and he made three holes in Brannan, and he put three cylinders. I don't know,
Yeah, cylinders.
cylinders, uh, uh, in each hole, and well, in glue, uh, a piece of clothes in each cylinder. Well, I think that can I don't know, but in the video, well, it it was working, but I think that it can work.
Okay, yeah, actually it sounds really interesting. Nowadays that it's really hot, well, it sounds like a great do-it-yourself idea, like a 5 minutes craft. Great job. Okay, Juan, that was a great idea. I really like it. Do you have the same idea with Brian about the invention, or do you have a different one? Hello, Brian.
It's a different
It's
inventor.
different. It's different. It's different.
Sorry,
Okay,
it's
you have.
different because
Oh, you talk
That's
about
what
different.
I said. That's what I said.
Okay, but that's a great
We
idea.
are
Okay.
we were discussing about headphones.
Okay, good.
Well, and now he's going to talk about headphones, right?
Okay, great.
I talking about the headphones, and for I discussed this headphone is used for people in the world for different activities. And in my case, I use the headphone for play the music, um for call the people. And the case is the one he used the headphone for play video games. And comparative of the price and the headphone is depend the quality is the price. For example, Juan told me is your headphone, the price is $125.
Okay, that's something really good. But you pay a lot for your headphones. But it's also because of the quality. That's right. Well, Brian, my question for you is, what do you prefer, wireless or the ones with a wire?
No, wireless. For me,
Wireless.
wireless.
Okay, they are, well, in some cases they are, it's better to
It's
use them.
more it's more easy for me because
Yeah.
you're moving everywhere. It's
Okay,
not
yeah.
a problem.
Yeah, that's right. If you are moving from one place to another, for example, well, one example can be at work, or in some other cases, for example, if you like to travel and to move from different places, it's better to use wireless, okay? But if you are at home, like me, so it's better to use a pair of this. Well, Brian, I really like not your invention, but the one that you mentioned about, which is well, which are the wireless headphones. Juan also mentioned something really good. As I said before, it sounds like a great idea nowadays that is really hot. So I consider both are great. Just please don't forget to continue using to infinitive for ing, right? Remember to play for playing, right? It was great. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Juan, for sharing about these great inventions that we can. Well, in the first case that we can create at home. In the second case, that we can decide which is the best option for us. Well done. Now, Brian, tell me who's the next one, Sonia and Javier or Marcela?
Come on.
Sorry. Sonia.
Sonia. Okay, Sonia and
Okay.
Javier.
Sonia
I'm
is my
sorry, guys.
partner of the class.
I'm sorry, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Well, Sonia and Javier, you're talking about no, it's not an invention, right? Your own
Yes,
invention.
teacher.
Okay, great.
We
So,
invent.
okay, that's nice. Well, you can start now.
Okay. Javier and me, we have a business and we invent. Okay, we have a car wash, and we invent a machine for cleaning cars. Again, and this machine has three tools. It's for to clean carpet and wash and dry. It has the three tools to use in the same way. I don't know if Javier had another information about this invent.
Yes. Don't forget, you create a website to advise the business, and the customers can see everything. And we have to work and wash the cars very well. And we needed a machine that would work fast, because every day we have a lot of work. And for example, in this machine is used to clean cars very well.
Okay, Sonia, Javier. That sounds interesting, right? Well, you have a car wash and you have a special cleaning machine for cars. It helps
Because
you to wash, clean, and dry the car.
yes,
Yeah.
Okay,
we have a lot of customers.
okay, I can say it. Okay, so it's a 3-in-1 machine. Pretty good. And do you sell that machine or it's only for your business?
Only for our business.
Actually, only for our business.
Okay, well, it's pretty good. It sounds like a great idea. Okay.
I
Guys,
need this machine.
guys, you can wash your car.
Yeah,
I
Our-
need
if you have a car, that machine will help you a lot. Okay, you will
Yes.
you won't waste a lot of time in a car wash because you can do it by yourself. Well, in this case, you can go to Sonia's and Javier's car wash. They are doing an amazing job with that machine. Great. Well, thank you for your explanation about this machine or about your business. Let's continue working and using the infinitives and gerunds, right? Remember, always, well, the main point of this is to practice that. I listened to your examples. Just don't forget, continue practicing that part. Well done. Thank you. Okay. Now it's Marcela's time. Marcela, well, sadly, guys, Omar couldn't connect to the groups. So Marcela is going to present by herself. Marcela, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, go
almost
on.
ready. Okay. Um, in this case, I didn't create an invent. I will talk about artificial intelligence. Okay. This one is used to improve efficient in different areas, and it's used for getting data analysis It's used for searching information and also to control robots and even to customer service and beside and to image recognition and to speech recognition. That's it.
Okay, that's pretty nice. That it sounds like a great invention. And what is the cost of that invention?
I didn't think cost right now, but
For free.
no, not free. And in this invention have cost $500.
$500. Wow, that's a lot of money.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, but it's a great thing you can buy. Okay. Okay, it sounds really good. Thank you for using infinitives in this case because I listened to many infinitives. Pretty good, Marcela. That's a great invention, and also your grammar was pretty good. Well, everybody, thank you for practicing these topics. This topic specifically because today we were only um, practicing infinitives and gerunds. As you know, that was the not the most difficult topic in this unit, but we could practice this topic a little bit more, right? More than just imperatives. So everybody, I'm so happy to see that all of you practiced and did an amazing job. Let's continue working like that. Right now, let me give you just two really quick instructions. Well, as you know, everybody, certificates are ready for you. You just have to finish with all the activities from the platform, and then you will get your certificate of level intermediate 3. Guys, before we go, I want to tell you about tomorrow's activities. As you know, we should have 16 classes per level. So we will have everybody and speaking practice about different topics that we studied in this level. Okay, as you know, we started when we started. We since we started, I mean, we have seen different topics. We will have a short review about some of them, and also we will have a speaking practice. Okay, a speaking practice about one specific topic. The point is to use the grammar in the correct form and also to check how much you remembered about it. Okay, this is the first thing I have to tell you guys. And the second thing is, please, guys, don't forget that the last activity that we have to complete is the exam from units 1 to 5. This is the final exam. If you complete it, after that, you will get your certificate. So, guys, don't forget to finish with all your activities before Friday at 8 a.m. because at that time, INSAFORP is going to check that you finish with all the activities. And that's it, guys. That's the most important thing. Okay, please finish with all the activities. If you already did it, congratulations. Guys, I hope to see you tomorrow in our activities, in our speaking practice for tomorrow. So thank you for coming today, guys. Have a good night and see you.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
See you. See you.
Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.